It is truly an amazing experience when you hold your first paycheck, and as you begin on your new journey, it is imperative you begin investing. After all, through smart wealth management, you will be able to protect yourself during times of financial emergencies. Therefore, if you have just started earning, it's time you start investing. New salary earners will have an urge to splurge, but all you need to do at this point is to set aside an amount, be it a small one. As you are just starting, begin by investing in small amounts in various financial products. Define your goals and allocate your investments accordingly. Investment can be made for a variety of purposes. There can be investments made to meet your various short and long-term goals. Remember, not all people invest similarly. You need to choose an investment strategy that is aligned with your risk appetite and your financial goals. Based on your goals and financial aspirations, you need to research your investment options. In fact, as a young investor, one of the first things you can do is open a Demat account. It opens up investment opportunities like stocks, ETFs, and securities. Your Demat account acts as a digital repository of your investments, while you can buy and sell them through your trading account. When you have identified your investments, it is time you line up your contributions. It could be a transfer to your trading account or create an ECS instruction for your SIP. Invest regularly and in a well-timed manner and watch your investments grow with time. HDFC Bank Demat account can be opened online without any charges. It acts as a 3-in-1 account that combines a saving account and a trading account. Ensure a seamless start to your investment journey with HDFC Bank's Demat account.